Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm stopping by to show you this journal that I made. This is the second journal that I've made for Dear Julie Julie's February Finish It Junk Journal Challenge, which is to finish up any unfinished journals. But it also required that you use 15 specific elements. So for the first journal I made, I'd already started, but I'd already made a bunch of ephemera and stuff to go in the journal. And needing to use the 15 elements, I wasn't able to use some of the ephemera that I'd already made. So, made a second journal. The first journal I made, I was using Dear Julie Julie's Tea and Roses digital kit. Had a bunch of stuff left over, so I decided to go ahead and make another roses journal. Still has some ephemera left over from the Dear Julie kit, but I made this one a little different, and it wasn't as much tea and roses as it was just about roses. So let's take a look. So this is my cover. Got the binding covered with this lace. This is actually gift wrap that I used on the cover. And then images that I printed out myself, not from a specific kit. And here we've got part of Dear Julie Julie's digital, and this is from fabric, and I stamped on some fabric here. This was one of the things I'd made for the Tea and Roses kit. And here I've got notes with waterfall paper, avocado dyed paper in it. Here I had to try the napkin, attaching a napkin to paper by using cling wrap. And that's what this is. The little ruffle here. Here I've got a glassine bag with some napkin decoupaged on it and lace trim here with a great big tag in it. Here's a little tuck spot on the side. Here I've got a Crafty Irina type pocket with a couple of little tags in it. Here's a little top tuck. This is more paper from the Dear Julie kit. Here I made a belly band with a journaling card. Again, yet a different napkin. Actually, I believe that napkin is, yeah, that's the same as this napkin, but it came out way different color came through. And then here I made a little flip out with lots of journaling space. I have a book of roses, so pulled out a few pages of it to use in here. There's a little corner tuck with a envelope type thing, and you just flip that open and you've got journaling space. Here's the a digital I did, which was the same as this, that I printed on vellum. Thought that looked really neat against the avocado dyed paper behind it. Plus, I like the sound it makes. Avocado dyed paper. Here we've got a tag. With a fold-out pocket. Unwrap here. Open that up and you've got journaling space. Get a pocket with a tag. That's my center signature, or the center of my signature. Here I've got a little tag and a ticket that I made. It's another image I cut out of the Roses book. Then I've got a double pocket here with little tags in it. Still from the Tea and Roses kit, as are the faux stamps that I'd made, and the pockets. Here's the other side of that vellum. I made this digital page as well. And another little corner tuck with a tag. Little side tuck. Here we've got an envelope, and I just tied it closed because I thought that looked cute. I've just got a couple of pieces of stationery in here. Retie that. I'll retie that later. This journal is much smaller than the, or not much smaller, but smaller than the first one I made because I was trying to use up a bunch of stuff. Here I've got a fabric flip. And a library pocket with a library card. Another little side tuck. And back here in this pocket, I've got this, which it's really thick, so it could be used as a writing board or a journaling card. So that's my second journal, using up as many of the ephemera pieces that I'd made as I could, and I managed to use all but, it looks like, 2 little pieces. So I'm pretty proud of that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. I will talk to you soon, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.